Israel had done something that not even the heathen nations was known for doing. They replaced their God. And that's one of the things that we're seeing, amen, in our nation today. That's one of the things that we see in America. We have begun to replace our God. This nation is not a nation of "in God we trust," but this nation has picked up substitutes. We're pushing God out of almost any and everything that we can find. And we're picking up these other things to replace God.